The effects of stress on cancer have been linked for centuries, but for some reason, most of the population have not been properly informed about its effects. Cancer is the second leading cause of death worldwide. About 1 in 3 people in the United States will develop cancer during their lifetime. Most people in the United States have had or known someone who's had cancer, but it's never been brought up to them that mismanaged stress can affect the risk of cancer spread, tumor growth, and cancer recurrence. New studies suggest that stress hormones may wake up dormant cancer cells that remain in your body after treatment. In mice, researchers found a stress hormone that triggered a chain reaction in immune cells that prompted dormant cells to wake up and form tumors again. The effects of stress and the onset of cancer have been studied since the 16th and 17th centuries. Many medical journals and research studies have been published since then. A Journal of Analytical Science and Technology by Seung and Kim, in 2015, describes stress as an emerging key factor associated with cancer initiation, growth, and metastasis. Seung and Kim stated, over the past 3 decades, tremendously accelerated demonstration of potential effects of stress on tumor metastasis, the tumor microenvironment, and regulation of cell growth. One of the most rapidly growing medications being prescribed to cancer patients is cannabidiol, CBD, and tetrahydrocannabinol, THC, originally given to cancer patients for the pain of chemotherapy, but also to relieve stress in patients that are facing extreme stress levels that may be affecting their tumor growth or cancer spread. A research study by Caraceto, in 2006, states that the stress-regulated protein P8 is involved in THC-induced apoptosis of tumor cells. The advances of sciences in the modern world are astonishing. In this constant race to discover life-saving treatment for cancer, something as simple as managing stress in these patients can help slow the progression and potentially save the lives of countless people. Growing up, cancer was not just a subject I saw on the news or in movies. I was personally affected by cancer, as an immediate family member had to deal with the heartache of fighting cancer. My grandma was diagnosed with breast cancer when I was around 8 years old. I can never forget those moments that I spent with her in the hospitals for chemotherapy sessions, and when she had to have a mastectomy on 2 separate occasions. Although I was young, the pain of seeing a loved one deal with the burden of cancer adds a level of stress to everyone in the family, including my grandma. I wish I knew then what I know now about the effects of stress on cancer to have gotten her the needed medical attention to treat her stress level to possibly help her fight her battle with breast cancer.